Electrification, autonomous and connected driving are currently all the rage in the automotive industry, and Nissan wants to be at the forefront of these technologies. Announcing their presence at the Consumer Electronics Show, CES, in Las Vegas, which starts on January 7, the Japanese automaker said it will unveil a very interesting future technology regarding vehicle control, which may cause a lot of thinking, although it wouldn't provide any more information on the subject. Anyway, Nissan CES stand visitors will also have the chance to see the IMx Concept that was revealed last October at the Tokyo Motor Show. Believed to influence the styling of the next-generation Rogue Sport, which is known as Qashqai in Europe, it's underpinned by a new EV platform and powered by 2 electric motors. It's also equipped with a new version of Nissan's ProPilot system, which allows it to drive on its own, and once engaged the steering wheel magically disappears into the dashboard and the seats recline. Not something we expect to see in the near future, but it does show the way things are heading. The new generation Leaf will also be on display in Las Vegas, demonstrating its ProPilot Assist and e-pedal features, as will the updated Rogue, which also sports the semi-autonomous driving technology in addition to other novelties for the 2018 model.